apprehensively bowled.
Oh, that went right through.
Confident appeal. No response from the umpire.
He loves it there. That's a great stroke. You must make sure that you keep your eyes on the ball or you will fumble, particularly on an outfield like that.
Just one run. All ends up by that one.
That's a great sight for a bowler. Stumps flying all over the hockey.
Let's see the action replay of that. That is one of the better catches you are ever likely to see. Gone, caught.
Well taken. Well taken. You know, he never looked like this again.